when you arrive at the airport, just go down to where the trains are. If you look to the left, go down a bit, you'll see a company called ATS Travel, and they'll take you basically anywhere in Thailand. To Pattaya, it'll cost you about 1400 baht. This is their service, and their booth is just around the corner here. So it's just around right here, and it will take you with a private car anywhere you want to go. 1400 bucks to Pattaya. They go to Chiang Mai, they go to everywhere. Private car, within 15 minutes you can get a car and be on your way. Yeah, that's the service I used to get there. On the way back, you'll see, later on in the video how I got back. I just used the public transport, which is really good, really easy. After I visited Koh Larn, an island off Pattaya. Righto. See you soon. The ferry from Pattaya to Koh Larn leaves about every 2 hours or every hour and a half. It costs 30 baht. It takes about 45 minutes from Pattaya Wharf to Koh Larn Wharf. Very easy, very safe to take. I spent about 3 days on Koh Larn, rented a motorbike, hotel on the beach, had a look around, went snorkeling, jet skiing, and great island. Has everything you need, well worth a visit, better than Pattaya, but Koh Larn is a fantastic little island. Pretty impressive.
One picture for me. Oh. but I think she want to go.
On the way home I take the speedboat, it costs 150 baht. Once they've got 4 or 5 people, the speedboat will leave. Very convenient, pretty cheap, 150 baht. It only takes 10 minutes, 15 minutes, back to Pattaya Wharf.
Right, you can catch this bus for 160 baht back to Bangkok from Pattaya near the wharf. Takes about 2 hours, but it's easy mode of transport, reliable, really good. Anyway, back to Bangkok.
When you catch these buses, try and sit in the front seat. You get the best room, best seat in the house. Just ask the driver. 90% of the time they'll say yes. There's 2 stops on this route. The first stop is this stop here, the Ekamai train station, BTS. That's on Circumnavigate. You can take this line 3 or 4 stops away is Nana, or you can go to the airport line and then catch the airport train directly to the airport. So yeah, so get off at Ekamai, BTS, Circumnavigate, and then you can go from there. Very easy. The green line is Circumnavigate, the red line now is the airport line. Very easy to take. You shouldn't have a problem.